Hi, my name is Olivia from UniMed. I'm speaking today from the colourful Hammersmith Hospital. And today we're going to go through another one of the 7 secrets. And this one is about work experience. So the key is variety. Get as much as you can. And make sure that you show that you really learned something on each one. So there's 3 main types. The first is primary care, so that's your GP. So you get to see some chronic illnesses, back pain, things like that. The second one is secondary care, so that's working in the hospital. And here you get to see a really wide variety of different types of medicine and surgery, and it's important that you follow patients through their journey in hospital. So from the day they arrive to the day they leave, what happens to them, who do they see? The last type is tertiary care, and this is out in the community, and it tends to be things like nursing homes. And these can be you can do them a Saturday every week, and it demonstrates commitment to medicine, and you really get to see a whole range from GP to maybe more acute things in hospital to longer term care out in tertiary centres. So try and get as much as you can, and it will put you in the best position when you come to your interviews and writing those personal statements.